Hello there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you assorted meat and dry fish pepper soup, my favorite Ghanaian local soup. Let's get right into it. I started to pre-cook my salted pork to extract some of the salt out of it. And once that is done, I'll set that on the side. Now to a pot, I have here my turkey berries, habanero pepper, garden eggs, and allow it to boil for at least 10 minutes. And once that is done boiling, I'll remove it from flame, allow it to cool down, and then blend it. To my soup pot, I'll add in my pre-cooked pork, and then I'll come in with my dry catfish or my dry assorted fish. I have here my dry herring, salted beef, salted fish, and then my AIDEN fruit, some chopped onion, tomato paste. I'll add water, cover it, and allow it to steam for 5 minutes. I'll go ahead to blend my cooked vegetables, and as you can see, I didn't strain the water. I'm using the same water that I cooked the vegetables in. I've added garlic, ginger. This is optional. And then I blend it until it is very smooth. I'll be straining this because of the turkey berries. I don't want the chaffs of the turkey berries in the soup. My soup has steamed for a good 5 to 7 minutes. So I'll go on to strain my blended vegetables, and then I'll be adding water as I continue to strain. If today's your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, so that you can be part of this beautiful and amazing family. On this channel, we share amazing, easy, and simple recipes. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. I'm all done straining my vegetables. I'll go ahead to add more water, and I added the water based on the amount of meat that I'm using and also the size of my pot. I've added in some onions and carrot. You can omit the carrot if you prefer, and I allow the soup to boil for a good 20 minutes until the vegetables became tender. And once my veggies were cooked, I removed it out of the soup, blended it, and then brought it back into the soup. Like I said in my last video, which is the video before this one, I'll be uploading videos every Wednesday and Sundays for you guys. Please kindly share this to your community, your friends, and thank you so much for your support. You can follow me on all social media platforms, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and here on YouTube Shorts. God bless you. After adding my blended vegetables back into the soup, I ended up adding more habanero pepper for garnish or for extra heat. The soup was super spicy because I added a lot of habanero pepper earlier on. Alright, so at this point, we're allowing the soup to boil or to continue boiling for at least 15 minutes or until the soup is very well cooked. Please comment down below and tell me what you will pair this soup with. You know for sure that this soup pairs very well with fufu, and that's exactly what myself and my family will be enjoying this with. Okay, and you know you can enjoy this with any starch of choice. You can have this with yam, with your white rice, you know, with your banku. You add a little okra to it and you're good to go. So as you can see, I've made my delicious plantain fufu. I need to share this fufu recipe with you guys. I'm sure you will love it. And kindly share this video with your loved ones, to your community, so that we can reach wider audience. All right, thank you so much for staying with me until this time, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.